we need to attend to a variety of things. At this point, XRP is being brought up. Numerous charts show XRP in a positive light, and many technical analysts are speculating that it may make a comeback. Everyone here is aware that it will happen shortly. With the second quarter halfway over, we should still have plenty of time to reach the $4-5 XRP body. We shall examine the graphs. In this section, we will examine the XRP dominance graph. Here we shall examine Ripple's most recent collaborations. Here is the strategy to reach $5, so without further ado, sit back and relax. Let's start with a Bitcoin priced at approximately $97,603. It is up about 1% from where it was a day ago. The current price of Ethereum is $2,648. Its decline rate is 0.39%. Given that both XRP and USDC have maintained their $0.99 values, USDT is developing into a dollar peg. It tries too hard to be interesting at $2.42 an hour. The present link in the chain is $18,071, which is a rise of 4.5%. After this, I am at a loss as to what to do. You know, the reality is that it's not that complicated. We are climbing higher. The market has experienced consolidation. Our goal is to locate it now that we have begun to consolidate. Each and every one of them is making excellent, targeted shots. I anticipate a positive market upturn as a result. If all goes according to plan, this rally will propel Bitcoin beyond $180,000. You can go straight to the chart from here. There has been a bull run in the overall market valuation of cryptocurrencies. Raising a fuss is unnecessary. A look at the XRP chart reveals a price of $3.18 trillion. Our emerald bracelet stands out. It is passing through this region. Above all else, we intend to stand firm. In what place does that price range appear? Ranging from $1.96 to $1.85. I assume you're well versed in the $1.96 mark. Will 2020 see an all-time high? We have been enjoying a lovely consolidation zone for the last 5 days, beginning on Wednesday, the 5th, following that tremendous sell-off move. Moving forward, it's easy as pie. I see XRP's lead in this space becoming more stable. In my opinion, XRP's dominance and price will continue to climb until they find a new bottom at $3.42. For the months of March and April, I intend to focus on the mid-threes and get back to the $4 to $5 range, at the very least for the month of March. One can see a day and one can see a month. We are filled with hope. A Bitcoin will need our help here. So, what exactly is Bitcoin up to now? Over Bitcoin, the green band remains visible. Assuming we maintain our position on this central green line, everything should be okay. You get downcast while we keep our spirits up. It would seem that Bitcoin is not very susceptible right now. In the end, you should expect to pay anything from $89,000 to $82,000. Personally, I don't think it will be able to do that. As we investigate it more, the current price of Bitcoin is hovering around the $97,000 mark. I believe that when the bubble reaches $108 that Bitcoin will have its breakout and first objective. In a flash, it will reach $120,000. For a long time now, the sum of $120,000 has been considered. I promise it will be finished soon. Squeaky mouse, XRP is back in the black just a few days after squeaking back from support. Do you perceive this as a sturdy foundation? Just over $2.4 USD. A positive breakout is imminent, according to him. Here, though, I'm aiming for targets that reach up to the $3 level. We intend to achieve this outcome. I would love a breakout. What do we need? Of course. Bitcoin is crucial for everyone. My coffee is being sucked by the monster. With me, it's okay. For CryptoPunk to work, you must Bitcoin. He shared his chart on Crypto Insight. He asserts that the 3-day XRP dominance chart is on the verge of becoming dominant. There is a hidden positive divergence in this stock's RSI. According to his claims, XRP might be ready to take over once the dominance finishes a wick-off accumulation. What does he mean? I'll show you. Obviously, this is where you'll find the wick-off pile. From there, you'll go on to the spring and, eventually, the climb. His focus is thus on the wick-off accumulation. Finally, we get to our feet. The key is right here. Check out the XRP dominance graph. We might see XRP approach 100% in the double digits, continuing its 31% dominance from 2017. Naturally, the precise quantity of money entering the market is crucial. Even if the market cap is between $5 trillion and $7 trillion, I still think XRP will hold a 10 to 15% share. I find it thrilling since XRP is going to hit double digits. Since I have been engaged with this for quite some time, I would love to see it on the XRP dominance chart. Come on, let's check this out. It is necessary to have two of these yellow closures. We see this every day. The beast would then be signaled to run away. To further indicate that something is about to burst, the green line representing the 8 EMA must pass over the purple line representing the 21 EMA. Even though we haven't arrived yet, everything seems to be going properly according to this chart. We were able to hold a lead of over 3.5%. After we push back up into the rear to reach that 5.5% level, there should be enough area for us to rise. I am entirely focused on this. Furthermore, how can we unite everything? Now that Ripple has expanded to Portugal, you have the opportunity to become a partner and help its users with cross-border payments. As mentioned in the statement, the alliance intends to employ its payment infrastructure to enable quicker and cheaper cross-border transactions between Brazil and Portugal. According to the big cooperation, XRP seems like it will be used here. By launching Marques, the first-ever Ripple payment service, Portugal fortifies its stance in Europe and amplifies the financial corridor that links Brazil and Portugal. It was in Brazil that the first bank ever accepted XRP as payment for travel. We are aware that Ripple has secret meetings with Brazilian ministers and bankers. The significance of this expansion was emphasized by Cassie Krodak, managing director of Ripple's UK in Europe. We have reached a turning point in Ripple's European expansion, she says. In Portugal, nature is flourishing. We are happy to include XRP as a payment option, since it is clear that XRP will be utilized given the discussion of blockchain technology and leverage. Among the significant collaborations highlighted are those with TravelX Bank, the first bank to use XRP. Additionally, it is asserted that 90% of all foreign currency markets use Ripple's payment processing, which handles over 70 billion transactions daily. These kinds of collaborations should be more common. The deal was mentioned and tweeted about by Ripple due to the increased liquidity and usage of the XRP ledger. Where do you see XRP going in the next few of months, maybe to $4 or $5? Of course. The rules can be made clear and we can prevail in court if we band together. As a result, investors will start to question the market's sentiment. Reversing the market's present downward trend requires the rapid appearance of positive tendencies. That small disturbance caused many to lose faith in the market. The product's recent success and utility will be the primary motivators here. As more people use it, the more valuable it becomes, so the price will go up as more people buy it. That is something that everyone is trying to find and is eagerly anticipating. European cryptocurrency exchanges are delisting USDT Tether, so keep that in mind. Their demise or replacement is inevitable as a result of Mika's and Leroy's laws and regulations. They aren't going to stop at USDC. Two independent stable coins are going to be required. While XRP's market size is larger, RLSD has a good chance of becoming the clear leader in this space. It is imperative that we publish this. The daily and monthly components are fitting together well. Because of the positive prime score, we are feeling optimistic. The price of XRP has recovered by at least 6% per month, but we'll all be happy campers if we can reach 5 or 7 trillion and crack the double digits.